I don't know, dude. I just hope my sanity doesn't go low. But we've been in here for like 2 days. Yeah, feels like 2 days. Is there a toilet? I need to poop. There's a stone wall. There's a... I can't find an exit out of this place. I hate this place. Oh, my mouth is moving. Oh, fuck. No, come on. Oh, water. No! Oh, you're not serious. Wait, actually, I have a boyfriend there. Come on. Oh, isn't that concerning? I need this. No, no. No! Oh, what is something? Toast for it. What's this? Oh, this is a big one. Oh, my God, I think they might have done some musical chairs or something. I used to feel like these guys. Guys, be serious. Guys, be serious. I might need to find an exit. The fire of everything is clearly go off. And guess what? Guys, it's a crate. It's okay. Hey guys, let's explore on this ramp. Let's explore on this ramp. Yeah, take pictures. Because when we get out of here, we need to show it to locals. What the heck? Someone else had somebody's been in here. Days. What is this? Guys? Hello? What? Am I tripping? What? No, I'm tripping. Guys? Hey guys, another door. Well, it's a lot of kids. Take some. Take some juice, guys. We need a lot of juice. Let's go. What is this place? Oh my God. I've been here for years, but this part, no hell. We've been all walking for one last place. Well, I gotta go home. Guys, what's wrong? What about you? Is he glitching out? Oh, he's okay, he's okay. Yo, guys. Will you hear that too? Bloodwater. Oh, guys, can you hear that too? Oh, shoot, I'm thinking, it sounds like warn or something. Guys, get in the slide, go, get in the blue slide. I'll take the red. Come on, guys, go. Oh, wait, I hear something coming. Where did he go? Yo, you okay? Come over. This might be really helpful sometimes. God, it was... Guys! Oh, shoot! Guys, Arthur. What is this? Oh, he just got taken! Where did he go? Don't go down. Oh, no. What do you mind if I do? Hello? Hey, no,